My name is Nicholas, and I've been on this journey for a fairly long time now. And with Susan, it has just transformed not just my emotional being, but who I am as a person. From having complications in my marriage to not connecting with my feminine to actually having that deeper sense of meaning and more importantly, purpose. I couldn't recommend Susan highly enough for whatever you're going through, and especially as a male, when we're not really taught to get help or go to therapy, because it seems it's a little bit weak. That's not the case, and I assure you that Susan will get you where you need to be. As I said, not just emotionally, but spiritually as well. So highly recommend. What she does is absolutely amazing. It's a huge transformation, and I've come a very long way from where I have been and from where I am now, and more importantly, from to where I'm going in the future as well. So yeah, if you're looking for someone with a point of difference that is an expert in what they do, and you're looking at actually changing and making a transformation, a significant transformation, I couldn't recommend Susan highly enough. Okay.